Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an exclusive 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse on 4,300 square feet, which is nestled in the cool hills of Belvedere. It offers a serene and picturesque setting for comfortable living. This modern townhouse boasts a spacious and well-designed floor plan, perfect for families or those seeking additional space. This townhouse is complemented by a spacious and immaculately maintained private backyard with a gazebo and koi pond, providing the perfect ambience where you can relax and enjoy the cool breeze and unwind. The townhouse also comes with a carport, spacious kitchen, pool area to relax, and porch that provides beautiful views of the natural surroundings and community. If you are searching for a townhouse, this is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 88 million or US $571,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.